everybody, I am here with another Stitch Fix box. I don't even know what number Stitch Fix box this is for me. My name's April, by the way. But I've been getting them since 2018. So it's probably like box 60 or something. Here's my little bundle of clothes. Looks pretty and exciting. When they sent me my preview, because Stitch Fix always has a preview now in the email, and they give you like 10 things to pick from, I chose 2. I didn't like any of the others. 2 of them were skinny jeans that just looked faded and just like, I don't want to wear that. I never did really love skinny jeans. Like, I did wear them, but I didn't love them. I don't think they flatter my figure. I have full hips. I just don't think that was my look. Anyway, so here's a card. I'm kind of extra optimistic because even though I only picked 2 things, look at this. Look at the color. On my feedback, I was like, I don't actually like skinny jeans, and also I really love color because a lot of what they had picked for me originally was not color. So, okay, I ripped the paper pretty badly. The first thing I did know was coming. I did choose this from my list, and this is just a green and white striped sweater. Very simple and very me. I love green. I'm a big fan. I'm a redhead. Green's supposed to be our color, so check, check. Looks great. This is the other one I knew was coming. Black top. It's kind of plain on the back, but it's textured on the front. Really neat. Has like a little V-neck kind of, and has those almost sleeves. Like, they're not sleeves, but they're almost sleeves. Anyway, it's way too soon for this top. It's February when I'm opening this, and yeah, it's mid-February, but still, I live in the DC area. That's gonna be a while, but I did choose it because I do like it, and I will wear it when it gets warmer as long as it looks good on me. Okay, the next thing is this pink cardigan, and okay, originally they had picked out a hot pink blazer, and I had checked, no, I don't want the hot pink blazer. I just don't. I mean, I don't go to work in a 9-to-5 office. It's just not that often I wear a blazer. But a pink sweater, and I mean, yeah, I would wear that. Here's the back. See, it's kind of like, in some areas it looks embroidered, like not embroidered, crochet material. The brand is Letty and Me. I mean, it's not really actually going to keep me very warm. Maybe. Okay, the next thing is another top. Okay, I have a lot of tops like this from Stitch Fix. I feel like they make a lot of these. The back is plain. The front is navy with flowers. It is pretty. It is a pretty top. I like it. I just was hoping for something different. You know, I wanted some, this might fit the bill. What is this? This may be my something different. Okay, this is exactly like the dress. Not exactly. It's very similar to the dress that they sent me in my December box or November box, because it has this ruching, I don't think you call it that. This like stretchy stuff right here. And then it has it also in the shoulders. But the material is super duper fun. It's not my colors. I think I get pretty washed out from wearing light colors, especially with the beige in it. I'm fair skinned. It's just not my best look. But I do love these colors. And it's a dress. It's not a shirt. And I appreciate that. I feel like it's important when you go on Stitch Fix to be extremely specific about what you want. And I have not been, and I've said, look, I'd really like, if you send me pants, please send me pants that touch my feet because it's cold. I want my pants to touch my feet. And they didn't send me any pants at all. And I had actually said that. And then I did say, give me lots of color. They did deliver on that. They gave me lots of color. So that they listened to. And I said, I like fun clothes. I like clothes that are fun. This is fun. And it's funny, I say I like lots of color and I'm wearing black today. But I actually love this shirt. I think I bought this either at like the PX or somewhere. That's the Post Exchange. It's a military. I feel like that's where I bought it. But anyway, I love this shirt. But I've been wearing it for like 7 years now, at least. But back on track. They did deliver on that. But also I'm cold and I've just been wanting winter dresses. I went on Amazon and bought myself winter dresses. Maybe I'll show you those in the next video. I got a couple of them and they were $30, but you know what? I like them. They're not very thick. That's the thing about spending $30 on a dress. These are not. Anyway, I'm excited. I have mixed feelings about this box, but I am going to try them on and I'm going to show you how they look. I was hoping this would be the card. Our last successful fix. So, okay, no, she's done this before for me. I did not realize that. You've already found some pieces you love in your preview, which is great. I feel like when I only pick 2, that's not like, I noticed your request for pants that go all the way to your feet and your preference for colorful items. I've kept those in mind while selecting your items. I can't wait to hear what you think. I noticed your request for a colorful dress, and I'm excited to share that I've included a vibrant dress from Maggie London. That would be this. And perfect for adding a pop of color. Be paired with a dark pink cardigan. It can. That's true. I was thinking it looks like a perfect put it over a dress cardigan. But I didn't realize I didn't put those two together. Okay. I apologize for not being able to include a Lily Pulitzer dress or long pants, but I'll definitely keep that in mind for your future fixes because I had asked for that too. Okay, but I've noticed they don't have a lot of Lily Pulitzer things right now. Okay, have fun, Constance. All right, so that's cool. I'm really glad that they did listen to me. So that's an important Stitch Fix tip. Is to be specific. It's hard sometimes because sometimes you don't know what you want. But I really need a day to go pants shopping. I'm gonna just have to do that, I think. All right, so we'll cut to the try-ons. Okay, so this is the black top, and it's really cute in the front, but it's not so cute in the back. You see, it's just the way it falls. The way it falls is just not my favorite. I really like the dots. I just don't love how I look in it. So we're gonna try on the blue top. Okay, so this is the navy blue floral, and it's cute. I've got a purple one just like this. It's flowers look slightly different, but it's the same brand. It came from Stitch Fix. It's extremely similar. When you turn around, it's just not that great looking. You know, a lot of rear end, but I don't know. It's just the way it falls just isn't flattering from behind to me. I mean, it's like that. It's not horrible, but I don't love it. And then in the front is not super flattering. Sometimes baggy is not better. Like we think it is, sometimes it's not. Anyway, so I don't know. What do you think? I'm not sure. Okay, so in my late 30s, I started to put on a good amount of weight, which was due to several things, and we won't get into that. But the point is, since then, I almost never wear anything fitted. But this is surprisingly fitted, and I surprisingly like it. So I don't know. Tell me what you think. This is the shirt, and it is fitted, and yet it's not horrible, which I am wearing high-rise pants, which I think helps. If you look at the back is more flattering than those baggier tops were. So sometimes fitted is okay. It's gonna be the right fitted, like it's gotta not be pure spandex. This is not a spandex shirt, like it's just a sweater. But I really like this one. It's my favorite colors, and this is one of those where even if other people don't agree with me, I might keep it anyway. Because I like this, and that's important. You know, you gotta like your clothes, because if you don't like your clothes, then you don't want to wear clothes, and then what's the point of owning something you don't want to wear? So I think I like this one. Anyway, so Stitch Fix sends you this bag. You put what you don't want it back in there, and you send it right back at no extra cost to you. And I will probably end up sending a few of these items back. I'm going to keep this. I've decided. I'm going to get Alan's opinion on the dress, the pink sweater, and the navy shirt. And and the black shirt. I'm gonna get Alan's opinion on all the rest because I'm just not 100% positive. But this is one of those, yes, hey, yes, look at what I found. It's not a long sleeve, it goes here. I do love long sleeves. I have a problem with pants and sleeves not being long enough for me. And that apparently is not a problem everybody has. I went shopping with my cousin one time, and all of her sleeves were too long for her. So mass-produced clothes, you're just not going to get everybody. Anyway, so I don't have to worry about that with this length of, like, because it's just irritating. It's irritating when your sleeves go to right here and you're like, you want them to be, and you just, yeah. And pants. I'm too long for average pants and I'm too short for tall pants. And it's just, I'm just long-limbed. Anyway, so that's my problem. So anyway, that's my stitch for this time. And if you want to try out stitch for yourself, I'll put my link down below. And I hope you have a great day.